Welcome to my channel! Ito na si Inday Michelle. So, nag-unbox ako ng Dyson. Pwede naman daw buksan, sabi ni Amo. So, ayan. Dyson, ano? Yan siya. Dyson v11 Absolute Plus. Social! So, ang stand, na-unbox ko na, nabuksan ko na siya. Ito yung, so these are the attachments. Tapos ito yung charger niya. Ang dami niyang attachment. Sobrang dami. So the rest of them are here. Di ko pa alam, check ko pa yung manual niya later. Kung ano yung mga gamit nila. So may mga ganyan-ganyan. Ito. Tapos ito. Small bits of and pieces ng mga attachment. Tapos ito yung ang ganda. As in. I have to work out kung saan yung pang mattress. Pang mattress and pang floor. So dalawa yung malaki. Tapos ito yung mismong vacuum. Ang ganda, diba? Love, love, love. Mahal siguro to. Can't afford. Hindi ko siya afford bilhin. So, let's try. So, nakikita natin yung mga dumi-dumi na yan. Try natin itong isa. Try natin siya i-attach. See? Oh, ang dali niya lang i-attach. Tapos, tingnan natin. Oh, social. Maganda ng tunog. Mamahalin. See? Tapos meron siyang battery. You can see kung gaano karami pa yung battery na pwede mo pang magamit. Tapos kung kailan mo siya pwede i-charge. So, see? It says fully charged before first use. Ganyan siya. Ang cute. Ang ganda. Mamahalin. Bigat nga lang siya. As in, eto lang. Itong hawak na to. Itong mismo na to. Ang bigat na. Tapos, meron siya, I don't know what this is for. I have to check out later. Tapos, meron siyang positive. Tingnan natin kung ano pinagkain mo. Pag positive. Oh, mas malakas. Siguro mas malakas siya mag-hover. Magsip-sip. Itong negative. Parang ano pinagkaiba? Pero maganda siya. Tingnan natin ito. Oh, social. Ang ganda-ganda. Mag-gimisa tayo. Ayan, yung mga book-book ko. Ganda ng tunog. Basta in short, ang ganda niya. Maganda din siguro ang presyo. Nakakuha na siya ng dumi. Kita niyo po. May dumi na agad. So, we have to work out kung paano gamitin yung stand niya. Paano siya ilalagay. So, let's see. Ito yung manual. So, we have to skip the rest of it for now. I just want to know how to stand it. To put on the stand. Charging the screen. Oh, you can set the menu. Cool. See? Okay? Setting up your language. To enter the settings menu, press and hold the button until the menu screen appears. I think it's all good. I don't have to set it because it's already in. Oh, there. Language alerts on. Exit menu. Cool. Before using the machine, you will need to set up your preferred language. You can continue to use the machine without setting. To set up the language types, to activate the screen, tap to scroll through the press and hold the button until the countdown ends to your. Press the button. There. That's okay. Oh, where's the English now? Ang dami niyang language. Oh. Yay! English done! Oh, so siya, basta marunong ka magpasa, malalaman mo siya. Tapos, tap, it says there, tap to scroll through the settings menu, select the alert option. I'm not going to do the rest. I'll just do it. I'll just wait until tayo ko na lang si amo. Okay? So, I just need to charge it up. Ayun. Ang ganda niya as in. Kasi ako naman ang gagamit dahil ako yung yaya. Yayamanin. Joke. Kaya ayun. Thank you for watching. I hope you can watch it. Can watch the video of me reviewing that vacuum, Dyson vacuum. See ya!